My name's Emma Houston, choreographer of Houston Dance Collective. The Purple Jigsaw explores gender roles and identity through the styles breaking in vogue. So this year, which is 2018, we have been funded by Arts Council England for some research and development of the piece, The Purple Jigsaw. It's a theatre piece, but it's also a concept, an idea, and a collaborative structure that can be taken into different settings. We've also been developing an educational workshop that uses breaking and vogue as a tool to go in and work with young people, specifically looking at identity and mental health. I'm looking forward to developing the Purple Jigsaw, working on new projects and collaborating with like-minded individuals, and watch this space for the education workshops coming to a school near you.